grew up in Napa. My parents always liked to garden, so every weekend we would go to a garden shop, and they let me buy what I want. They bought what they want. And me, I would like just the bedding plants. I just love to see them grow from start to finish. Because I'm a colorful person, I just love the color. My brother told me there was a Home Depot opening in Fairfield. So I applied, and I got the job. I serve between 150 to 200 customers per day. I've even had customers coming 2 or 3 hours to look at my nursery and discuss what they need. These customers that I have know a lot about gardening. They come to me for their problems. I do consult as well. I help them as much as I can. And, they're just good friends, and they come back. The customer actually dictates what they want, and seasons are in. And they'll come to you and say, do you have this? And, it's very easy to, talk with them. It's greeting the customers, engaging with the customer, thanking the customer. We do that all the time. I take care of my customers, and they take care of me. I had one gal, this is about 4 years ago, who came to me in a panic. Her friend told me to see me because I can perform magic. She wanted 75 white hydrangeas and wanted 50 white begonias for a wedding. So I got on the phone, and this was Wednesday, and she needed them on Saturday. And that was a very short period of time. So I got the hydrangeas with no problem until they would be here Friday, and she was upset because she wanted them Thursday. And I said, so I called the vendor back, and we have a good rapport, and I said, can you please do this? He said, yes, if you order some more from Meat Minimum, I'll be more than happy. And they did. They got them on Thursday, and she was excited, so she was happy with that. And I did perform her magic.
I was looking for many plants. I think it was 140, 150. And I called Charlie and said, hey, Charlie, do you think you can get me all these plants by tomorrow? Next day, I got a text from Charlie early in the morning. I got your plants. I was like, you're the man. You're the best.
His customer service is just impeccable. He always says, hi, Bob. How are you doing?
His ease of just working with him is just lovely. And I really feel very grateful to have met him. And he's such a sweet, kind man. And he cares.
Charlie is priceless, very reliable and dependable, which is why I don't shop at any of the other nurseries. Charlie's my go-to plant guy.
I've been a customer of Charlie's at least 15 years. I think Charlie loves the interaction. He probably couldn't wait to get out of bed and get back to work and interact with people. And I think he really loves what he's doing.
It makes me feel wonderful. I mean, this is great. At least I know they love me, and I have a lot of returning customers, and I love the people, just being with them. I love the associates as well, just teaching them. My name is Charlie Rossi. I've been with the Home Depot for 31 years, and I'm glad that I chose the career that I'm in because I love it.